Want to visualize global data without the complexity of geographic information system tools? Let me show you how to create a world map, choropleth, or bubble in less than 3 minutes with DataSketch's World Countries Map extension. I'm going to use a table with the per capita carbon dioxide emissions of different countries. I start by loading my data. I can upload a file from my computer, bring a dataset from my DataSketch library, or create a blank table and paste my data directly. The extension automatically detects country names or codes, even if written in different formats, and link them to the correct geographic boundaries. Now I choose the type of map I want to create. I can build a choropleth map using color gradients to represent data intensity, or a bubble map using proportional circles to display values on a world map. In seconds, I can identify global patterns, compare regions, and understand worldwide trends. I can customize colors, labels, and legends. Every adjustment I make in the data table or configuration is instantly reflected on the map. When I'm done, I can export the map as an image or save in my DataSketch library to reuse later or share. In just a few minutes, I have a professional world map ready to include in a report or share online. Try DataSketch, World Countries Map extension, and create powerful global visualizations in seconds.